Welcome guys with another quick video. Yesterday I finished the assault team section. There were some minor issues. I solved them at the moment. One is not sure because I need to see once we are testing the program if it repeats itself. We're going to take a look quickly. So I'm just gonna run it. I'm also set, yeah, I call it the first time run. So I entered some values. So the values you see now are mine in-game values at the moment. So when we go to factions, so this is my credits, this is my war fund, and that is my gold I got currently in game. This is what I got character wise, not assault team wise, because yeah, that is what we're going to do in the next stage. So I got one character, one infantry on the Soviet side, same on the German side, and on the American side I got like 17 characters. I got 9 infantry, 1 para, 1 recon, 1 tank man, 3 tank men, a pilot, and 2 generals. That's what I got. So I'm gonna close this. I'm going to the character, so this will be mine uh, army, let me say, my current army. So in the future there will be maybe more. So, but now we are. Hold on, I don't know if I saved it, but we're going to. Oh no, I didn't save it. Hold on. I'm going to close it. I need to go inside the program to show it. Hold on. This then quickly display first time run. So this will be the first thing that will be visible when you open the program. And because yeah, you need to think wide. So what would be the best way in yeah, setting it up? It's easy. I got like 17 characters. I got 20 assault teams. But okay, I'm now thinking about people that have like on each faction some characters, some assault teams. The thing is, I got it configured so that every character. So when you go on assault teams, because yeah, I set it up already. So I got 2 generals. I got high ranks also, but I didn't set up the rank, so that's the other thing. So we need to, in the first time run, we need to have all the elements so that it's correct, like in the game. So like for me now, it's like I got some. Hold on, I'm going quickly. Launch heroes and generals. Just close this for a second. Yeah, sometimes it crashes when I open or when I click with my arrow in the other screen. Sometimes it stops loading and just closes. Hold on, let it load. Okay, voila. So like you see, I'm going to just. So I only have 1 German guy. I have 1 Soviet guy, and I got like my 9 infantryman. But in my 9 infantryman, like you see here, I got a rank 17, 15, 15, 15, 6. That are my lower ranking guys. 6, 5, maybe. Yeah, 3 is the latest one I buy. So okay, then yeah, I only have one pilot. He's what rank he is at the moment? Let me see. Whoop. 9. Then my para is 16. So we need to, because like I set it up in the program, the assault team is connected through the character. Why? When I go like on my generals, for example, yeah, that's because they are, so basically they are showing you the deploying the deployed soldiers on that character. Same for this guy. So I need to go back to my infantry guys. So okay, I'm going. So now I can buy one. So basically, the moment you got your command point, you can start buying assault teams. So here is the list of all my assault teams. You see, I can deploy them if I want. So now I can buy on this character. So, but there's no relation between this guy and that assault team that I'm going to buy, for example. You see, so I need to find a solution to have it as close as possible. There's one thing I could do, but yeah, that means that I need to rewrite the assault team section. So like now, for example, I'm going to quickly open this guy. Doesn't matter, they are all the same. It's all the same. So basically what I'm doing is the character has his command point, gets his button to buy that assault team. In this case we're infantry, a guard, we're starting with a guard. So he can buy like a guard unit and upgrade it to motorist guard, but AT-ID. So, oh no, hold on, this one, owner ID. So here I ask the faction when I create a motor guard, so you see it's for all factions the same, and I want to have the character's ID. So if I leave out this, but then I need to also change, hold on, let me quickly go to the characters, take the infantry for example, just to stay on the same line. So this guy I need to switch to, for example, yeah, oh yeah, I need to do it on the character, the main character first, but okay, I'm just gonna type in, well, then we don't have errors. So instead of assault teams owned, it need to be then like assault teams deployed. So, and then on the first time run, for example, then I can just say like how many oh, you see, I forgot another line. So here we go again. How many characters you own? That's question first, because we start from the characters. Then second question, which ranks? So these characters, which ranks are they? And then normally I want to do how many assault teams own them, they own, but then we can start over and then ask the question for the assault teams. Like that, and then yeah, we need to make the sub the on we need to make the subdivision like guard, recon, and so on, so on, so on. So logical wise, I think doing this will cause us a lot of problem, will prevent a lot of problems, and instead of adding it like now, I'm adding it basically, I think I added them to the, hold on, this is the faction manager, the characters, yeah, that's the characters, that is faction based, so that is directly inside the, like here, this is the faction, so you see this is all those information on the static page. You see total owned guards and stuff like that. So hold on, scrolling down, command points, that is the ranking images. This is the list of our infantry guys and characters, and then this guy, okay, basically all we did now is also for the assault teams is also added to this list. So you have the individual uh, assault team owned list on each character. So doesn't matter if it's a recon, so it's all the same setup. So, and then I had the list deployed. So basically what I need to do, this is not active at the moment, it's in there because yeah, that are the base elements we need. So basically I need to put this guy, I need to put on the character and leave the assault team inside the faction. Yeah, I think that may be better. That this is, you see, this is also I it's not that it's only now I'm working on that. No. I like I got a loading and a saving, and there's more behind it than what you now see or what you see in the, but it's the basic elements I most show on YouTube. So yeah, because coding can be very boring to watch. So yeah, so instead of hold on, like here is the AT manager. So in this, you see, I always need to have that ID. So a new guard, because yeah, a new guard need to have this ID. This is just the naming, so this is basically the US 44 guard that it's saying. Tag, number, type. So hold on, I'm quickly going. You see here, this guy. So this guy and this guy So basically, to give you an idea, it's easy in a sense of I just need to leave it in, comment it out for temporarily, and then maybe if everything is working like it needs to be, delete all those comments. But basically, it's already added to the. But then we have another problem. Then we have another problem. Then I need to modify, because we're going to hit the play button again. So then we have the factions. Okay, take US because it's filled in. So then the characters will be standalone and the assault teams will be standalone in a sense. But then we have the problem on this side, because now, oh yeah, oh yeah, then what I can do to not hold on, what I can do, hold on, I'm thinking it. So show US. So now he doesn't have anything. So for quickly, why is it not working? Did I change something? No, it was working. So why is it not working? Crazy. Hold on, I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to just buy a character, call it blah blah blah, US, major, leave him infantry, buy credit. Did I not have enough credits or something? No. Okay, so show US, then I'm going back assaulting, show US, show US. Oh, now nothing is working. What did I do? What did I do? That's crazy. That's crazy. This is crazy. This is... What did I change something? I'm just going to close because normally I didn't change anything. The only thing is this. I added, so that's that basically that. Hold on, I'm going to comment that out. So that's basically the first step in first time run. So hold on, I'm going to give myself the generals. Okay, okay, save it. Let's see what I noticed something, and I'm not pretty sure why he does it, but I got the function like for the testing purposes. I got a function called new guard, and then I create a guard, and basically on the buy buttons and stuff, it is doing basically the same, creating that new character for assault team. So pretty weird. Okay, show you as we don't have anything, so he didn't create nothing. Okay, then we don't buy one. Yep, let it. I wonder what is going on. Because I only fixed the counting and I added the... Hold on, first I run, disable this, then let me see, character manager. Oh yeah, it's filled in, but it's disabled. Did we have any special warnings? No, we don't have any warnings. Okay, this is pretty weird. Editing, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna reverse this again. Hold on a second. New record, level up it up. Infantry, new infantry, leave it like that. Okay. Display US character on first thing. Oh, why are you all complaining? Oh, display character. Did I disable it? Did I do something too much? Yeah, it's sometimes the behavior it's pretty weird. Hold on, Control C Z. Display character is completely at the bottom. No, where's my display character? Here's. Voila. You see? I didn't do anything about this, so why in the hell did I write something wrong? Void is good, doesn't need to be a public one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see what I did. Hold on. Yeah, okay. See what I did. I didn't comment out everything. Hold on. Toggle that out. Toggle that back out. And this guy. Okay. This will do display US, so it will not display anything, so we need to have... We'll take those guys. Put it above, otherwise it will not work. Voila, leave it like this for a sec. So now I had on assault teams. Voila, like that. Play it again. Faction, check it quickly. One, so that is okay. Good. Characters, one. Voila, that is okay. So he doesn't have anything. I put I buy one. Yeah, this is what I mean. But okay, so this is now. This we can leave like this. Then okay, we click on this guy. Then what I'm thinking. So hold on. Characters, character. You click on the character. You can modify the character, upgrade the character, switch between the ranks. Okay. Select the character. Once it got a sold command point, it will be visible here. It will be showing the assault team or by assault team for the class. So if this guy were a tanker, you only be having this icon from the tanker. So you can buy the tanker, the assault team, and then it ends up instead in his assault team list like it is now. So now it's on the character. Then we put it on the faction. Put it on the faction. What we're going to display over here? We're going to display the deployed because now it's not owned anymore to the character. It's like in the game, okay, you buy him through the character, but it's not linked to the ID or from the characters. So every character can select the assault teams. Okay. Yeah. Okay, hold on a sec. I'm quickly going to modify by character. Oh no, not character. Multi. Let me see. Yeah, this is the guy. This is the guy. I'm quickly going to modify. See, it's already set up, but it's not visible. So okay, no. So play. Go directly. Yeah. Okay. Here we're going to do it again. Click. Buy a guy. Voila. Voila. So but yeah, that will be. I'm always concerned about people that have a lot of 80s, you know. For example, if you wouldn't put in like 200, yeah, it would be a disaster, I think, in knowing which is which, you know. So we need to keep it clean. So that's, I'm always thinking how we going to do this, that. So like now, yeah, okay, I can continue doing what I'm doing, but then when we're going to build the first time run, for example, yeah, that one, then we have a problem because the soul teams are linked to the ID, and if we don't say like I own 10 characters, for example, I fill in the characters, and then you need to come to the point that you need to fill in the soul teams, then yeah, then we will have errors because you will not find that character, or maybe the IDs doesn't match each other. So okay, so that's good. That's good. Okay, it's not good, but like like all the videos, it's a live development you see. So you see, it's not always going like you wish it goes, or you need to modify things. So, but okay, the base is there. We have what we need. We got the characters. We got the assault teams. The characters. Basically, we don't need to do anything on this part. Everything is working. You can, you see, you can rank this guy up. Give him a name. Only like on the assault teams, everything is updating directly when you hit the button. I can adapt in the character. So yeah, you can. Well, in this instance, you cannot do it anymore. If he was a infantry guy, for example, then you can switch him to these, and then with gold. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna uh, monitor or stream any further now, because it's no use to keep on talking about. But yeah, we need to modify that, and maybe it's also because I'm using the ID that's for some reason sometimes he does crazy things, I think was it the last, not the last stream, but the stream before, that I had that issue when I was explaining you, like you click on them and you can do the this and that and see and that. All of a sudden, when I click the second character, everything I did here was also on all characters. So for example, if I had 10 characters at that moment, then all 10 characters will have the same assault teams like I got at that moment on that guy. So yeah, that's something we don't want to have, and maybe yeah, it's to prevent it maybe from happening. We can better do it like on the assault teams. Click on the guy. Hold on, take the Soviet guy. Click on the guy. Tell the current command points he owns. Show his picture, his rank, and his type or class. Then the flag of the faction with the name underneath it. The buy button, so that's all good. And then should I do it like this, for example? Hold on. If like now this is just an image, a clickable image, so a button. So if I now make a scroll view, same size as this, maybe a little bit bigger, with just the no, the name need to be, or just how big is it? Hold on. Oh, quickly buy some assault teams. Hold on. Quickly going to buy some. Okay, just to visualize this panel. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just filling it up. Okay, filling it up. nice. Can buy a lot of ATs. Yeah, I'm just filling up, huh? So like I need to also fix that scrolling thing. So now, hold on, huh? Soviet faction. I got 30 guards. Okay, 30 guards. Yeah, okay, it's good. So we have 30 assault teams visible in that panel. So yeah, you see that is not working. Eh? Only when you. So that I need to fix, but okay, it's no problem. We got 30, so that's it's not really at the moment a big overload. Eh? Yep. Yeah, and 30, 30 deployed. Yeah, I'm brainstorming. 30 deployed units. And this is also not so proper. You see, the background stopped expanding. So, there are things we need to test, and like now, yeah, we put a lot in it. So before we didn't notice this, but this is what I mean by once everything is set up like we wanted it, we need to do a big test, all various situations. So, hmm yeah, I think I need to do it like that, and then uh, here on this guy, we're going to have the same listing, maybe bigger, where you then. Oh, I need to make a step between. Oh yeah, that we can do. That we can do. Okay. That we maybe can do. I have a spare button. I have a spare button. So okay, it's not that these buttons need to be on it. Like the graphic and stuff. I just did that to fill the buttons. But what I can do is create an extra panel like this. Then click panel comes by. You buy. You get this list. When you click on, for example, this button, show a show AT, for example, show AT, you click on that button, then this list appears where you can then check this, and once you check it, it will be added to the deployed list. That will be when we click on this guy, the panel we then will see. So basically, like before, like before, it will be like this then again. Hold on, I'm going also. Hold on, that maximize window. Come on. Oh yeah, sometimes Unity crashes. Hold on, I don't need the scripting for the moment. Leave the scripting for what it is. I was going to do. Just hit play. We will see. Okay, so it's all teams. Then, like I say, show US. We got temp. Now, when we click this, same like now, is showing nothing. We buy. Instead of going to the characters assault team list, it goes to the faction list. Yeah. Then we buy this guy. Then we click on the show AT button. Then that screen with the check mark appears. We hit the check mark, click. Yeah. Or we hit the guy and add, for example, yeah, I need to be careful because this is used for the naming. But like I see now, it does it like this, so yeah, okay. Hold on. Maybe modify this panel with a check mark to be deployed. That we can also do. Instead of having it on a separate. Hold on. Yeah, I go brainstorm about it a little bit. Leave it like it is now. Focus. How are we going to do that? Our first time run. How are we going to do it? Are we going to, for example, that was one of my thinkings, maybe go like have, for example, different panels with the questions. Then you only see one panel. You will only see one panel like this. Then you have, for example, hold on, I'm just brainstorming. So we have a button. So for example, button. You have a button. So every time you press that button, this guy goes out because you completed it, or this guy, for example, instead of you click on next, for example, because the first time run is only the first time. Then, for example, you can also do this. It deletes it. It enables the next screen. Fill in everything. Press next. Panel will be deleted. The other one will be visible. That we can maybe do. You know, I think maybe that, yeah, maybe not with the deleting, but I'm the thinking of first go through a few windows to fill in the information we needed, and then we can also ask more. For example, maybe we can make a bigger line in having like how many characters do you have, how many, what rank is it, or and stuff like that. We can put it directly in it, and then also for the soul teams. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hold on, huh? I'm gonna close it. Don't save it. Especially don't save it. Yeah. Okay. Voila. No, I think that would be the best solution to have minor problems in the future when we develop the program, because yeah, this need to be correct, because before we go further with collecting the war funds and stuff like that, this needs to be fixed. The character and the assault team sections need to be 100% working before we can start on creating like the diagrams and stuff like that. So, but yeah, okay. So I know what I need to do. So we will see the result maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. I will see, because it's already late again. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment. All ideas are welcome. To because it's a program for everyone that uses heroes in general. So it's not like I'm building this for me. So all comments are welcome. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.